We all know menstruation is still considered a taboo subject, and there are many myths which may negatively impact the well-being of women and girls. But today, we've got a great game with us. It's a game that provides awareness about menstrual hygiene and busts myths surrounding menstruation. On the welcome screen, we see the logo at the top and play button below. On tapping the play button, we get 3 options to select an avatar: Ramu, Sani or Baba. Choose any one of them. Now choose the difficulty level you want. For today, we'll go with easy. Alright then, let the game begin. There are 4 characters, each of whom has a very interesting backstory. Learn about it by reading the text or turn up the volume to listen to it.
Boys should not talk about menstruation. Periods are a girl's problem.
Don't listen to the Yeti. He likes to spread myths, and throughout the game, we will be busting myths like this. It's now time for the actual game. Here we go. This is a catching game. Catch the products that are safe to be used by women during periods in the bucket: tampons, sanitary pad, clean cotton cloth, and menstrual cups. Move the bucket left or right to catch as many safe products as possible within 1 minute, avoiding the bad ones. And at all costs, also avoid catching the falling yetis and prevent them from kidnapping the bakri. The more you catch, the more points you get, leading to more keys to unlock the door of facts. Using the keys you collected, unlock the correct doors. Each door unlocks a myth that the yeti has been spreading, and the bakri will help you bust that myth.
Your period should last exactly 1 week.
The Yeti is wrong. Everyone's period is different, and it can last from 3 to 7 days. Once you have had a few cycles, your period and menstrual cycle may begin to become more regular. Thanks everyone for watching the tutorial. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, click below to do so.